Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Razr 5G and let me show you how to change video quality on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and now let's tap on the settings icon. It should be in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it. And now let's scroll down a little. As you can see here, we've got the primary camera and internal camera, and in both sections we've got video size, so it means that we can change it for both cameras. Let me pick, for example, the primary camera. Just tap on the video size, and as you can see here, we've got some options to choose from. So in order to change it, just tap on the one you want to use, for example 4K. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on you will record videos in chosen quality. The same situation will be with the internal camera. Just tap on the video size, and here we've got more options to choose from. Let me pick FHD, and as you can see, it also immediately changes, so we will record videos in this quality. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Motorola Razr 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.